Students, next we can prove this results. Okay, one by one. First question is prove that the lengths of two tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle are equal. It is the third result. You can this can ask for two more questions, so please learn that. Okay, lengths of two tangents drawn from the exterior point or point to a circle are equal. So you need to prove AP is equal to BP. Okay, for that, first of all, you see it is a circle with the center O. Okay, so we know OA and OB are the radii. Am I correct? OA and OB are the radii, so both lengths are equal. Also, we learn in the first result, this radii is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so this angle A is 90 and angle B is also 90. Am I correct? Next, the side OP, it is common for both these right triangles. Okay, so we can say by this, this is right angle, no? Right angle, hypotenuse, side, RHS. Okay, by RHS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, since the triangles are congruent, other sides and angles are equal. Corresponding sides and angles are equal. So, we can say the side AP is equal to BP. Okay. Are you clear? First you consider the radius. Next you consider the right triangle. 90 degree. Afterwards you see the third common side. Okay. So, this from this first, second and third we can say the triangles are this congruent, so we can take the corresponding sides are equal. From that we choose PA equal to PB. That really we want to prove. Okay, so okay, the next one, this is a fourth result. Prove that if two circles touch externally, the distance between their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. Okay, this O and P are the centers of the circle. We need to prove the distance OP is equal to R1 plus R2. We can choose the radius, R1 is bigger than R2. Okay, now for this it is not necessary, but just you choose. Anyway, the different radius are different. For identifying that, you choose R1 is greater than R2. Or you can choose R2 is greater than R1. Anyway, according to the diagram, you choose that R1 is greater than R2. Okay, next we can write the distance between their centers, center O and P, so it is OP. Okay, in between this touching point we consider as Q, so OP is equal to OQ plus QP, that is R1 plus R2. Okay, that means the sum of the radii, already we know R1 and R2 are the radii, so this is R1 plus R2 means sum of their radii. Okay, so this result also proved. Very simple only, but you should know that. Okay, they can ask us from the extra question also, just they given in the book, but some changes are there. This first proof in the book they given SAS instead of RHS, so you please follow this. Okay. Next property, prove that if two circles touch internally, the distance between their centers is equal to the difference of their radii. Okay, here the circles are touching each other. So, the center of the big circle we consider as O and center of the small circle we consider as P, and the radii are R1 and R2 respectively. Okay, but here we need to choose which one is big. Here in the question also they given difference. Okay, so difference means big minus small. So we should mention which is big. Since this big circle radius is R1, you have to mention R1 is greater than R2. Okay, OQ, the length of OQ is R1. It is the radius of the big circle, and PQ it is radius of the small circle. So R1 is greater than R2. Now what is the difference between the radii? Here center, this is the center, so radius is OQ minus PQ. Sorry, distance is OQ, distance between their centers, no? O and P are the centers, so OP is the distance. So this, for finding this OP from the total length OQ, we can subtract this PQ. Okay, from the total and the OQ we can subtract the PQ. Total and the OQ is R1 and PQ length is R2. So we can write it is R1 minus R2. That is the difference of their radii. Okay. Next one, prove that the two direct common tangents drawn to the circle are equal in length. Here, see this two circles. Okay, common tangent we drawn for this is both of them. Already we know the lengths of the tangents, lengths of the tangent through the exterior point. Okay, P is the exterior point, A is the point, tangential point or point of intersection. So AP is a tangent, CP is a tangent. Okay, AP is a tangent and CP is a tangent from the first circle. Both are equal. Like the same, BP is a tangent and a DP is a tangent from the second circle. Both are equal. Okay, this is from the third result. So we can say this PA equal to PC. This AP I said, that is PA equal to PC and PB equal to PD. Okay, both length are equal. Now we can subtract the left side of each one and right side of each one. So PA minus PB, okay, equal to PC minus PD. Yes, now you see the diagram, PA big length minus PB small length. So what do you get the remaining? This big length PA minus this small length. So you will get the remaining is AB. Okay, like the same PC big length minus PD. So what is the remaining? CD. Okay, so we will get this left side is AB and right side is CD. Okay, what is the AB? This is the distance between the 2 points of this point of intersection, tangential point. Like the same C and D also are the tangential points. Now we get AB equal to CD. That means this distance, AB distance is equal to CD distance. That's only we need to prove. The two direct common tangents drawn from the circle are equal in length. Okay, so we get the lengths are equal. So we can say hence proved. Okay.